Good morning. I want to talk to you about the Earn Easy commissions. Right now, I'm going to show a video of the pros and the cons. What I like about it, the Earn Easy commissions course, is its simplicity. It's been meticulously designed to be implemented immediately for the average beginner and help you earn while you learn. The goal of the Earn Easy commission system is that it's set up specifically for your first 100K online. The only task is you share your unique link online and with the right people. Don't worry because you're even taught how and where to share your link. For every person that you get to create a free account, you earn $1. You sign up 10,000 people, you earn $10,000. The cool thing about it is that there's no other work other than just trying to drive the traffic to your link. As a free member, you earn up to $25 commissions, and you can take advantage of 100% optional upgrades. You can earn up to $500 in commission. The best part is it's all automated. That means no telling, no selling, no explaining, no pitching family and friends. It's 100% free to join, and you can earn up to $25 per sale without ever paying a single cent, except for paying for an autoresponder and your funnel. Other than that, you can drive traffic to it for free. There's 7 simple steps. First is you watch the EEC, the Earn Easy Commission System Explained video. You build your email building list. It tells you how, it teaches you how. Step 3 is you originate your optional income upgrades. You can earn up to $2,500, $200, $300, or $500. And step 4 is you get quality traffic networks. That's all you have to do. You have to share your link with as many people as possible. Use the traffic network, and it teaches you how to get free traffic. Also is step 5, 30 days traffic generating training. Step 6 is email marketing strategies. And step 7 is your success blueprint. What you do is you share your unique link, and if you'll click on the step below, it'll go to my page and it'll tell you how. Watch the video,